Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a today CATIA lecture 94 is discussed here, and CATIA sheet metal 3D parts learn easily and explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, and guys, 3 points today discuss here are very important points. First is a stiffening review, second is dowel, and third is user stamp. All is a stamping point, and three important command is discussed here use in CATIA, and three command is a very important command. Any new design, create a new design in use in CATIA, then three one by one in separate command is use a very important command. Okay guys, one by one is discussed here. At first open a CATIA software. Okay, this is our CATIA software interface, and one by one is discussed here. Okay, this is a all command is a you can see here, and last command is a first is stiffening rib, and second is dowel, and third is user stamp. Okay, and all command is previous lecture is discussed here before. Okay guys, at first select any geometry, draw here any drawing a center rectangle. Okay, and center rectangle is a this is a this and mention dimension. Okay, dimension is 140, and this is a 70 is nice. Okay, this is a 90 is correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this point is correct. Then okay, exit, and unless we are not select sheet metal parameters, then other command is not activated. Then you can see here on the screen all command is not activated. At first click this button sheet metal parameters, then all command is activated. Okay, then click okay, all command is activated. Easily you can see here on the screen, and all command is activated. Then use a wall is a create a this body, and body is a this perfect. Okay, and some use a this is a some use a wall on edge. Okay, both side is a draw here wall on edge. Okay, this is a perfect. Already this is a correct. Okay, and some height is a less, because this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and some height is a this is a nice. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this body is a height is this is a perfect, correct. Okay, and draw any material is apply here this body, and material is a select. Okay, this is a metal. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and double click here. Some reflectivity is very high, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and this plane is a hide, because looking this 3D body is a perfect. Okay guys, this is a very important, and this is a perfect. And some command use first command is use a stiffening a stiffening rib. A stiffening rib is a very important command, and this is a very useful and helpful for a new design is created. Okay, click here, and this command is used only bending point. Okay, this is a bending a space, this is a correct, and use a this and some length is, this is a increase, and some is a radius 1 is radius 2. Okay, 2 is increase. Okay, previous preview is showing here, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a correct, and okay, this all stiffening rib is a this is a perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a height, and this is a radius is more, preview is okay, this is a correct. Okay, and one, this is a stiffening command is discussed here, and a height is a more, and radius is okay, this is a correct. Preview is showing it, this is a perfect. Okay, this body is a perfect. Okay, this is a super, and this is a whole command is also used here, and circular hole. Okay, this is a correct, and this face is a click here, and then other command is a some use, because this perfect body is a so nice, and extrude cut is a all arrow is a inside, then okay, this is a perfect. Okay, hole is a also this is a correct, and length is also increase, and this is depth is also increase. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and also this is a nice. Okay, okay, this body is also, this is a perfect body, and okay, this is a okay, some use this point. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a also perfect. Okay, this is a nice. Okay, super. Okay, the isometric view is drawing here, this is a correct. Okay, okay, and one point is also discussed here, this point is a this. Okay, and this point is a dowel is click here, and dowel is this point is click here, this is a, and in this is a increase. Okay, this point is also okay, this is a correct. Okay, this body is a height is inside, this body is a okay, this is a correct. Dowel is used here. Okay, and other point is a dowel is used this. Okay, this is a correct, and arrow is inside. Okay, this is a increase this. Okay, this is a perfect, and also dowel is used here this, and also this is a perfect. Body is arrow is inside, this is a perfect, and okay, this is a correct. Okay, and dowel is also used here this, and arrow is upward, increase this. This is a perfect, Okay, this is a nice here. Okay, okay, back side space here, this is a correct. Okay, this is a okay, and this is a back side is perfect, and this okay, this is a correct. Isometric view is drawing here, this is nice looking, so here, and this is a correct, okay, and okay, this is a perfect. Okay, some perfect. Size zoom out and zoom in, perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, okay. Guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, next lecture is coming soon. Guys, next lecture is coming soon, and this lecture is very important, and also previous lecture is, you can see here. Okay guys, thank you.